The city hall. The city hall. City hall. 市政府。哎，市中心。Center means the middle of something. So if we have paper, right? I point here. This is gonna be the center. Center, okay? And then center city means the middle of the city, right? Right in the middle. Yes, that's right. Okay. Now we're gonna talk about something really, really hard. Hard, very hard, very complicated. It's 复杂, very 复杂. Okay, very, very complicated. How to talk about the past? Past. So we are living right now, right? Right now. But we play the games. We play the games. We played the games 20 minutes ago. 我们现在 we are now learning the past, right? So what's the past tense verb? It's the 动词过去式. You can see it here, okay? It's very complicated, but you don't have to remember it all. We're gonna focus on 2 verbs only today, okay? So it's okay not to know everything, but have a brief idea about what's past tense verb, okay? So we remember we played the game. I smiled while we played the game. So you can see they have 2 EDs over here. EDs, right? So we call it regular verbs. Okay, regular verbs. We add ed after the verb to indicate the past. Okay, I played the game. I smiled. That happens in the past, not now. So let's see. Built. Everybody built. Yes. And found. 找到. So these are their regular verb, right? Build, built, find, found. Can you tell me are they the same? Are they the same? Did I add ed? Do they have ed? Do they have ed? No? No, right? They don't have ed because they are irregular verbs. Irregular verbs. Okay? So, irregular verbs. So, for irregular verbs, you have to remember, we don't have the rules. Just remember. Okay? So, for example, we go there. So, in the past tense, it will be I went there. So, if I do this, I did this. They are all irregular. We're gonna talk about this later. Okay, we're gonna talk about this later. Just this. So, for example, I build a house. I build a house. 建造. I don't have anything to do with it, but I build a house. Okay, house. Okay, everybody good? Regular and irregular. With regular verbs, we add ed. With irregular verbs, we're gonna remember. Okay? Okay? Good? Good? A little confused? It's okay. We're gonna talk about this over and over again. So, here is a shopping mall. Everybody, shopping mall. Shopping mall. So, I think we have a shopping mall next to Chinatown. Fashion district. You remember? At the city center next to Chinatown. Fashion district. We call it shopping mall. Shopping mall. Okay? So if it's in China, then it will be like Wanda. Okay? Shopping mall. And then, so if I ask you, where do you go? Where do you go? Where do you go? Where do you go? You can answer.
Go to the shopping mall.
Very good. I go to the shopping mall. 车会 How do you go to there? How do you go there? By bus, right? By bus or by subway, anything, yeah, or by bus, okay? Now, so let's see the past tense. If it's present tense, we just gonna say, where do you go? Where do you go? How do you go there? Right? I go to the shopping mall. I go there by bus. Just pay attention to these red, orange words, right? They are the words in present tense. Present tense. Present tense. Present tense. But if it's happened in the past, if it's yesterday, okay, then where did you go? And where did you go? So you can be yesterday or it can be just 5 minutes ago. Okay, it could be 昨天 or it could be 5分钟以前. They are all did. Where did you go? Okay, then I can answer I went to the shopping mall. I went to the shopping mall. Okay, then you can look over there. How did you go there? How did you go there?
I went there by bus.
Hey, I went there by bus. So you just remember these two today. These two are irregular verbs. Remember, irregular. They are no patterns, no ed, right? Just remember do and past tense is did. Did. Go, past tense, went. Okay? So, can anyone tell me why we don't have went here? Why? Why? Did is past tense, go is present tense. Why? It is a hard question.
Went. I went.
Why don't I say like where did you went?
I went to the shop.
Because okay, so 为什么我只有 did 是过去式，而 go 是现在时呢？ So did in Chinese we call it 助动词。So once you have two verbs together and you have a do, then only do becomes the past tense. Okay? So for example, where did you eat yesterday? I ate at home. Okay? Where did you go? I went to the shopping mall. So you only have the do in past tense, but not go. Only one verb is in past tense. Okay? Everybody good? Good? Okay. So only remember do, did, go, went. That's our main thing today. So when you are trying to say something in the past, always remember you're gonna change the verb. Change the verb. It's hard, but let's practice. Where did you go? Where did you go? How can I say?
I go to Boston.
I go, but in the past.
I went to
I
Boston.
Hey, I went to Boston. How did you go there? How did you go there?
I went by
Airplane.
I went
To the
there.
plane.
I went there by plane. Remember, only change the verb. Only the verb you're gonna change. So go, the past tense is went, right? Went. So I went there by plane. Okay. One more. Where did you go?
I went to the
To the
hospital.
hospital.
Hey, I went to the hospital. How did you go there?
I went to the
I
hospital.
went to
there by
Ambulance.
ambulance.
Remember? Ambulance.
Ambulance.
Hey, I went there by
ambulance. Ambulance.
Okay, here is the hospital. Hospital where you see the doctors. Okay, I'm in pain. I'm sick. So you go to the hospital. Hospital. Okay. I went to the Starbucks. I can say, where did you go? Here is Starbucks. Anyone know Starbucks? Maybe new, but it's where you drink coffee. Where you drink where you drink coffee. What's coffee? Juice coffee. Yes. So it's like this. Juice. We also drink juice over there. Okay? Coffee. So you can walk. I went to the Starbucks. Or you can say I walked. I walked there. It is a regular verb. Walk is a regular verb. So over here, see, you can see here, or the only thing you need to do is add ed to indicate it happens in the past. Past. Okay. What about this? Where did you go? Which one should I choose? Where did you go?
I
went to Japan
in
2020.
Ooh, very good. So when we say year, we can name it 2022. 2022. 2022, right? Or you can say 2022. 2000和22 both works. Okay? So here I'm gonna choose went because in 2022, right? That happens in the past. Because this year is 2023, right? So what about this? Do I go there or went there?
I went to there
By
cruise.
cruise. I went there by cruise.
By
Cruise. Remember? Yes, Yolen. Let's try one more time. Do I go? Go? I went or went? Went. Why?
I went to Washington DC
In 2018.
in 2018.
Very good. 2018, right? So I went there. 2018 is long past. Long past, right? It's 5 years ago. 5 years ago.
5 years.
Do I go? How did you go there?
I went there by helicopter.
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 Copter.
Copter.
So you can see here,
Helicopter.
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 Helicopter. Very good. Helicopter. Okay. Now we're gonna practice with your partner. Let's practice. So go to your handout, this page.
Yes.
So if you can go to this page. Okay, can you go to this page? It's hard. I know it's hard, but it's okay. You only need to remember do equals did. Go equals to went. That's it. That's what we're gonna learn today. Okay? We're gonna review this next class again. We're gonna review this over and over.